Hello everyone! Welcome to Quick Tech Pro. In this video, I will show you a simple way to transfer photos from one Google Drive to another. If you've ever needed to share images between different Google Drive accounts, this tutorial is for you. Before you start, make sure you have the Google Drive app installed on your devices. You can download it from the App Store if you don't already have it. Open the Google Drive app and make sure you are signed in to the account that contains the photo you want to transfer. Then navigate to the specific photo you would like to send. Once you've selected the photo, find and press the three dots that appear at the top or bottom of the screen, depending on your device. This is the menu of options that will allow us to share the photo. Within the menu, find and select the option that says Share. This will open the options to share the photo with other accounts. Now, you must enter the email address associated with the other Google Drive account where you want to receive the image. Make sure you enter the address correctly to avoid any mistakes. Once you have entered the email address, find and press the paper airplane icon at the top of the screen. This is the button to send the photo to the other Google Drive account. And that's it. You have successfully transferred the photo from one Google Drive to another. You can now access the image from both accounts. I hope this tutorial has been helpful. If you have any questions or if there are any specific topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, leave them in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tutorials. See you next time.